to a truly symbolic and inspiring moment of the Northern Mindanao Regional Athletic Association B2026, the lighting of the urn of unity and peace. This ceremony represents the harmony, camaraderie, and shared spirit that unite athletes, coaches, officials, and delegates from across Northern Mindanao. It reminds us that beyond competition, sport is the celebration of friendship. Leading this meaningful moment, our distinguished leaders, including Senator Juan Miguel Mix Absolutely, the governors, regional directors, assistant regional directors, schools division superintendents, and assistant schools division superintendents who join our torch bearers to symbolize the unity and peace that bind our region through sports.
Our church bearers are shining examples of excellence and dedication in movement sports. First around is Mr. from Mabuhay Integrated School, Valencia. Gold medalist in Barong Mabansa 2025 long jump competition. Secondary girls from the Kaga National High School. Palong Mabansa 2025 double gold medalist in Balaton Pinoy 2025 double gold medalist. Secondary girls from Bukidnon National High School, Barong Mabansa 2025 gold medalist. Passing on the third surge is Sinel Ashley Padden. Lawn tennis secondary girls from the Kaga National High School, Barong Mabansa gold medalist. Ladies and gentlemen, let us witness and honor this moment, the lighting of the urn of unity and peace, a beacon of hope, solidarity, and enduring friendship. Having just witnessed the inspiring lighting of the urn of unity and peace, let us first take a moment to honor and thank remarkable individuals who made the symbolic moment possible. We extend our deepest gratitude to our distinguished leader, Senator Juan Miguel Mix F. Subiri, the governors, the regional directors, the assistant regional directors, the schools division superintendents, and assistant schools division superintendents for guiding the flame of unity and peace with their presence and support. We also honor our exceptional torch bearers, shining examples of dedication and excellence in Philippine sports. Iyene Riche El Sabit, Sinel Ashley Padden, Eureka Gail Tiktik, and Clint Belisario Gimarangan.